Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rich Minds Corner, where we help you achieve financial freedom through crypto and smart investments. Today, we're diving into cPEN KYC verification, what it is, why it's important, and how to complete it quickly and successfully. If you're planning to use cPEN for transactions, trading, or withdrawals, passing KYC verification is a must. So let's get there. What is cPEN KYC? KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a mandatory identity verification process for crypto platforms like cPEN. This ensures security, prevents fraud, and keeps the platform compliant with global regulations. Without KYC verification, your cPEN account may have limits on withdrawals, trading, or other features. Benefits of completing
KYC.
Enhanced security and fraud protection access.
Compliance with.
Is compliance with regulation cPEN for cPEN KYC. Before you begin, make sure you have the following: a good camera device for a clear selfie, facial verification, proof of address, utility bill, bank statement if required, a stable internet connection to avoid error. Section 3, step-by-step cPEN KYC process. Now, let's walk through the process to complete your cPEN KYC verification successfully. Step 1. Log into your cPEN account. Visit the official cPEN website or open the app. Navigate to the KYC verification section in Settings. Step 2. Take a live selfie. The system will prompt you to take a real-time selfie for identity matching. Make sure you're in a well-lit room with no filters or obstructions. Step 3. Submit proof of address if required. Step 4. Wait for approval. Verification usually takes a few minutes to be completed. You'll receive a confirmation email once approved. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Many users experience KYC rejections due to minor mistakes. Here's what to avoid: blurry live video check. Ensure to use a good camera for quality selfie video recording. Poor lighting in selfie verification. Use natural light for better accuracy. What to do if your cPEN KYC is rejected? If your KYC submission gets rejected, don't worry. Here's what to do. Check the rejection reason in your cPEN account. Contact cPEN support for assistance if issues persist. And that's it. Now you know how to complete your cPEN KYC verification smoothly. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips and financial insights. Drop a comment if you have any questions. I'm here to help. See you in the next video. Keep investing wisely and